could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company.
Hey guys, I'm so excited. I haven't vlogged in so long. I'm making sure no one's behind me. But today I am meeting up with Becca and we are going to attempt her wedding cake, and I'm going to bring it all to you. And we're also going to do a couple of other wedding like DIY projects, and it's gonna be so fun. So I'll take you along with me for the day. I actually did my hair and makeup today. Looking pretty good, so here we go. Bye! I'll just show you guys this, but look how cute my reusable cup is. So for when I go to Starbucks, it's a ceramic pottery. It's so cute, and it comes with a silicone top. I don't trust the top as much, so I kind of drink from the bottom, or the glass, so I just use this as a cover, but so cute. And I'll link the Etsy shop I bought it on. And I always take this when I am grocery shopping because I'm touching all these carts and then I don't want to eat a snack, so I highly recommend getting hand sanitizer spray. Bye, Angel. Do you have stuff in the back?
No, there's 2 bags and the metal thing.
Wedding things. Wedding things. Things for weddings. Look who's here. Alright, we spent like 9 hours looking for vases at Hobby Lobby, or where did we go, to Michael's last time? And now these are from Hobby Lobby. We'll give you a little sneak peek. Ooh, what do you think?
Huh.
What do you think?
I don't know.
What do you like about them?
They're too
fat?
Grecian, and yeah, they're a little too fat, but
Okay. They fit.
well, they do fit. Doesn't look half bad.
But we are heading to Hobby Lobby. Well, we're actually at Hobby Lobby. We're exchanging some flowers.
And buying some new flowers.
Yep, I'm gonna do some more arrangements before we get to the cookie cake.
Yep.
Sorry this isn't a mukbang, but
Maybe later.
maybe later. We're gonna, oh, we can do our little sandwiches. Mukbangs. Alright, we'll
Yeah.
come back for a mukbang.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Hey, at least I'm breathing. I know it took a while. Been looking for a sweet song, a sign of spring. Waiting for a reason to laugh.
Got it?
Just
So we're gonna try to make it look like this. Looks better off camera. Christmas time, Hobby Lobby. Who's excited for Vlogmas? This girl.
just how
Christmas.
I've been spending way too many thoughts on what went wrong. But what goes up must come down.
Alright, we're back. Round 2.
Round 2 with the flowers.
Round 2 of the flowers. And then I need lunch. Why am I blurry? Because I am hungry!
Film our lunch.
Yeah, you want to film ourselves eating it? I kind of do.
Yeah! We're making breakfast sandwiches.
We are.
They're gonna be delicious.
They are going to be delicious.
We're making breakfast sandwiches. They're gonna taste tasty. They're gonna have sandwich stuff in them without the buns.
We crashed, and every word I've spoken
Alright, here's what we're having for lunch. This is a turkey breakfast sandwich. Okay, we're not gonna focus. Okay, turkey breakfast sandwich with potato bun and egg. It's on like
No.
Oh my god, we're so bad at mukbangs.
That's a little bit better. I don't know, now I'm pretty low.
This is good. Alright, well, since this mukbang was a suckbang.
Suckbang.
We will. How cute are these? These are awesome, Becca. We're gonna add the red and the, I guess it's like the burnt orange.
Yeah.
What do you call that? Rust
Yeah.
and black. These are gonna look sick.
From deep water, it's too late. I've crossed the border.
Oh, would you have to get an extra base?
It's hard like Cupid, babe. Hurry, I need to be safe. Hurry with all the.
Here's the bouquet. Look how gorgeous. Nails look good.
Wait another day and miss out on your sweet selection. Tell Cupid stay, ask him to stay, and I will clear the way. Last night was magical. What a rush, yet casual. From the first look, I knew we could be one love-based symphony.
Don't care what they say. I've been working too hard lately. Feel like I'm going crazy. I need some time in the sun place. And I say on and on. 'Cause there you go again, my baby. Your eyes illuminate me. Just wanna be by your side. Take me away. Want to go somewhere special. Far from this place. Don't let me down, down. Hard to think straight. When you look like an angel, my sweet escape. Don't let me down, down. Going we can live today. Could be the ones that got away. On to better days. Just wanna fall into your embrace. And I say on and on. 'Cause there I go again, my baby. I can't let it go. It's all in my head, will you take control? Take me away. Or take me somewhere special. Far from this place.
Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Buy my album on iTunes. All right, we're putting the test round number 1 into the oven. So this is gonna be the base of the cookie, or the middle, or the top, depending on how big it is. We're not sure yet, but they're going in. Open up, my friend. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, starting now. Come on, ballet.
ridiculous. Fluffernutter?
No, I've never used Fluffernutter. I think
Use the Fluffernutter.
we really. Yeah, I like the other one because we. Okay, okay. Bring the Fluffernutter. Bring the Fluffernutter. I just know that like.
You want to use the
No, bring the Fluffer.
The Fluffer?
Bring the Fluffer. Don't know why. I don't even matter how hard I try.
But I feel myself giving.
That's all I know.
Watch the time go right out the window.
It smells just like the other stuff.
Now we did 1 cup of butter.
1 cup of marshmallow fluff.
Fluffernutter.
It smells so good. Come smell it.
I ain't falling for that.
Please look. Powdered sugar. Whoop. And whoop. You guys have to let us know what videos you want us to do. Ask me nicely. I would die. Wait, why am I a ghost? There we go. All right, we're adding about 3.5 cups powdered sugar. It all depends on the consistency. You know what, I messed up. I usually beat the butter with the fluff and then I add the powdered sugar.
Plug it in first. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So these cookies turned out really good, but the only problem is that they didn't flatten out the way we wanted to, but we added them on like a big glob. So now we're gonna try round 2, and we flattened them out like pretty well. So we'll attempt to cook those, and then we have the little mini tester cookies. I'm gonna make Kyle try the cookie. It's melting, it's so hot. You have to try the cookie we made for her wedding cake because you're the tester. And it's the icing I made too.
That's good.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good.
It's bomb.
Yes.
That's really good.
That's all right, so here's our first batch. And those ones, first batch, we didn't press these ones down, so they're a little puffier, and we're gonna use them on top. These ones we pressed down, and they turned out exactly the way we wanted to have them. It turned out exactly the way we wanted to have them.
If you just put water in coffee, does it work? Does it work? Does it work?
I tell you straight up, I got a real thing for you. I saw you with your friends and I was like, I don't know what to do.
Frosting time. That's what time it is. How do we...
I've had my heart broken into, but something's different next to you. It's like my soul is set on fire, but oh, I'm starting to feel tired.
See what I mean? They're melting. It's melting.
Almost bad.
It's melting. So we messed up. Okay, you gotta take that off. It's all falling off. The cookies were warm. Now everything is melting. So now we've learned our lesson that when we make this cake on the wedding day,
Let the cookies.
let the cookies chill. But you get the gist of what it's gonna look like. We really did this today just to test the recipe of the cookie and the frosting, and both were pretty good. How would you say?
I would say excellent.
Amazing.
Stupid.
Stupid good. So we got the cookie, the frosting, and everything down, and now all we have to do is not let them melt. Ooh, look at the cookie cake. So the cookie texture, as you can tell, is absolutely perfect for a cookie cake. But the cookies are still warm, and we were impatient. It's like 5 o'clock, and we're ready for bed, so it'll be perfect. Promise you. All right, we're closing out the vlog.
Successful day. We got the flowers done. We got the cake done.
The cookie cake
Turned out amazing.
Turned out amazing. Like the flavors and everything were perfect. We're just gonna have to wait for it to dry next time.
Yep.
So What else did we do? The bouquets, you already said that.
Yep.
So we have one more wedding weekend project, and then we'll see you next weekend.
Yeah.
Bye. Wow, let's not do that. That was really bad. Bye. Peace.
Super cheesy. Bye.
I feel sad without Becca here, but Kyle and I are headed to parents' house to swim. Check out this new swimsuit I got. It's a one piece. It's from Ann Cole. Love it. And then play some bags, go swim, maybe have some dinner, hang out with the dogs, because that's where they've been all day. Take you with me. Hi, Annie. Come on, go play. Go play. Hi, Nini. Go play. Ready? Okay. Kyle got on that. Pool time. Dad, you get my hair wet, you're dead.
Just try to.
No one gets my hair wet. Now, do you want to say anything to the vlog?
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hi. You haven't seen him since Vlogmas. We did the eggnog taste testing, remember?
Yeah, I do.
Hi, Deej. Hi, Deej. Hi, Grumpy. Hi, Grumps. He does. You're all playing. Leo's turn. Let's go do Leo. Come on. Leo's nowhere to be found now. Leo's nowhere to be found now. Lily, it's your turn. I see you.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night.